Welcome back to another Cars of Sweden live. So let's take a look outside and see what we've got today. Is that another AMG? The 2017 C43 AMG Mercedes convertible. Whether roof up or roof down, this car is definitely bringing sexy back. With AMG satin black multi-spoke wheels, this little Mercedes has come dressed to impress. Okay, so let's take a quick look inside. If you're familiar with a C-Class Mercedes, then all the buttons and all the knobs are exactly where you would expect them to be. When it comes to the media player, everything is good there. We've added Sport Plus for tightening up that steering and giving you that lovely exhaust note. But this isn't any old AMG, this is a night edition. And what do you get for a night edition? Well, you get this colour-coded back spoiler with these wing mirrors, a set of these wheels, and how about this front lip spoiler to top everything off? And just take a look at these leather and Alcantara seats. And when I see this gorgeous stitched piping with matching seatbelt, attention to detail comes to mind. But there's more tricks in the bag. Check out this automated movement of the front seat. And when all your backseat passengers have boarded, just put the seat back in the upright position and the car takes care of everything else. Time to take a look at the business end of this beauty. Here we find a 3-litre V6 bi-turbo offering up 385 brake horsepower and around 384 Newton meters of torque. And if we take a look round the back, there's still enough room in here to put a couple of small suitcases in here for you and your partner to get away for the weekend. No problem. And how long does it take the roof to go up and down? Well, about this long. Some people say that the C43 AMG is the little brother to the C43S. What I say is, this is definitely the black sheep in the family. You might be wondering why I'm driving around in this car in the middle of March in Sweden in a t-shirt. But if you look behind me here, you'll find it's got that ear scarf. Changing gears. This car I don't think comes with a dual clutch, but it's the next best thing for me. Sticks to the ground, this car is fabulous. It's only when you get this car on the road when you can open it up and really appreciate the full package of what this vehicle offers. This car has all the lines in all the right places, but the real thrill is driving it. Love the sound of that V6. With its permanent four-wheel drive and its 9-speed speed shift gearbox, this thing is planted to the tarmac at all times. So in one of my previous shows I test drove the C43S, and yes, that car has one of the most legendary sounds of any stock car on this planet. But if we're going to be honest, as soon as you put your foot down in that car, it's calculating 1,000 different ways of how it can kill you. In the C43, it turns any driver into Lewis Hamilton. So whether you're an Audi or a BMW man, you have to appreciate the fact that Mercedes have been getting it right recently. It's not just the attention to detail, the sexy lines, the build quality. They just seem to be getting everything right at the moment. And if I was shopping for an AMG just now, I wouldn't look any further than this one right here. And as of March 2020, this car is currently for sale. You will find all the details in the description. So hope everybody enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you did. And big thanks goes out to the guys at Auto Group, and once again, But this car, whether you've got the roof up or down, is an absolute pleasure to drive. Really enjoyed my day out with this, and it feels sad to have to let it go back home, but maybe I can take it out for just one last go.